Cardiac surgeons rely on continuous innovation to improve patient outcomes. Now we mark a new era in mitral valve replacement with the introduction of the Mosaic Neo mitral bioprosthesis, combining an intuitive design with proven performance. Mosaic Neo is a native porcine valve, offering one larger leaflet with a wider opening between the stent posts at the anterior annulus. With the sewing cuff shifted towards the outflow of the valve, the Mosaic Neo mitral valve features an atrialized design that reduces stent post protrusion by up to 23%, compared to the legacy Mosaic mitral bioprosthesis. In addition, the Mosaic Neo cuff markings allow for a simple orientation of the valve's largest leaflet towards the outflow tract, all designed to enable LVOT clearance. The cinch implant system facilitates valve implantation, helps prevent suture looping, and is designed to protect the tissue from inadvertent damage. The Mosaic Neo valve sewing cuff offers smooth needle penetration and suture placement. The new Mosaic Neo cinch holder with its single-cut quick detach feature eliminates the need to unscrew the handle, aiding with ease of implantation. For small incision surgery, the Mosaic Neo valve offers a best-in-class low implant profile that is reduced by up to 40% versus other commercially available tissue mitral valves. Thinking one step ahead, with its new radiopaque inflow marker, the Mosaic Neo valve provides an easy-to-identify landing zone for transcatheter mitral valve-in-valve procedures. The Mosaic Neo valve offers a larger inner diameter compared to the Epic mitral valve for the same labeled valve sizes, which may enable implantation of larger transcatheter mitral valves in potential future valve-in-valve procedures. The Mosaic Neo valve is built on the legacy of the Mosaic mitral bioprosthesis with its unsurpassed industry-leading durability, a key element to the lifetime management strategy of your patients. The Mosaic mitral valve demonstrated 79.7% freedom from SVD at 16 years in a study with 232 mitral valve patients. Additional studies compared the Mosaic mitral platform to competitive valves. In a long-term propensity-matched analysis of 940 patients, the rate of cumulative incidence of reoperation was 7.9% for the Mosaic mitral valve and 13.2% for Edwards pericardial valves at 15 years. In another head-to-head study comparing different types of porcine valves, at 10 years, the estimated rates for freedom from reintervention were 62.2% for the composite porcine Epic group and 79.1% for the native porcine Mosaic group. Not statistically significant, but suggesting that not all porcine valves perform the same. Supported by over 50 years of Medtronic tissue valve experience, the Mosaic Neo mitral valve has been designed for the surgeons and patients of today. Mosaic Neo mitral bioprosthesis. Intuitive by design. Proven to perform.